Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about text formatting in HTML. So to get started you're going to need a couple of paragraphs, and in between the paragraphs is where the magic happens, and I'll show you after I type them all out. Okay, so as you can see here I have all the text written out, and to edit the text and make it and format it the way you want it to be formatted, basically you have to surround the words with the corresponding tags. So for bold, if you want the text to be bold, you put B. Sorry, it's supposed to be lowercase b. So here it's bold, and I'll do the same for the rest, and just to show you. Okay, so I took the time to do all of it, and so this is normal text. As you can see, it's just normal text. Bold text, as you can see, what is surrounded by the B tags is bold over here, and same goes for italic with the I, and then big is for big, small is for small, sub is for subscript, and sup is for subscript or superscript, sorry, and INS is for inserted, which I like to think of it as underlined, and DEL is deleted, as you can see, but I like to call it strike through. And then we have marked or highlighted. It's marked, but I like to think of it as highlighted because that's what it is. And that's basically it for text formatting in HTML. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe for more, and thank you.